Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all have enjoyed your vacation. Now welcome back to Alchemy online tutorial class. I am Daniel, your computer teacher for class 10. Let us move on to our first chapter, Internet Basics. Internet. What is Internet? When millions of computers are connected with each other and they share their data with each other, then we can say that these computers are having internet connections. Okay, now let us see what are the internet components. When do we get internet? If we have broadband connections, or if our computer or laptop is connected with Wi-Fi, then only we can say that it is having internet connection. So the components means, if you are using broadband connection, then the wire which you are using it, we can say that that is internet component. And if you are using modem or Wi-Fi router, then these all are the internet components which help the device to get into internet. Okay, now let us move on to the next topic, World Wide Web, that is www. This you might have seen in every website is www.google.com or yahoo.com, whatever the website, it starts with www. So what is World Wide Web? It is nothing but a web where all the documents or all the files are stored in web. Through web only we are using all those resources or all those data. It might be audio file, text file, video file, or any files. All files are kept in web. Through web only we are using the data. When this web is used in any web pages, then we can say that is a web page. It may use the text, or it may use audio, or it may use video. All these are stored in the place we called it web. Okay, when these web pages are combinedly formed, then we can say that it is a website. How does this www works? It works through web browser. What is a web browser? It is a software through which we can connect to the internet. For example, if I am requesting some file through the internet to my friend, then what does this web browser does? It gives a request to the server. My system will be acted as a host. It will request to the server, and when server sends me the file, the requested file, then I can say that I am connected to the internet. So in this way the web browser acts a main important role in this internet world. Okay, now let us see what is the difference between internet and www. Here, if we are sharing the files through Wi-Fi connection to our friends or to anybody's, then we can say that it is shared through internet. But if you are sending a file through your Gmail, or we can say that through any other mediums using www, it is shared through World Wide Web. Students, now let us learn some basic internet terminology. First is server. What is server? I have already shared with you that when you request some file to the server, then server accepts your request and shares that file to you, then that is server. What you are requesting, then your system will be acted as a client, web client. If it is a smallest network connection, I can say that like as our computer lab, then if without any internet connection also I can share the files to the other computers, because it is a LAN, local area network. So in internet, if we are using web browser or web, then I can say that it is a web client, then I will act it as a web client. Okay, now web browser. As you know, web browser is an application, or we can say a software through which you can able to search and you can access the information. Web pages, the pages which has audio files, video files, text files. When you search any information, you will see the web pages only. Through that web pages only you are getting the information. Even though you are watching videos in YouTube is also a web page only. Okay, now let us move on to next topic, that is website. Website is the same way. When all the web pages are included in a particular form, then we can say that it is a website. Domain name. Domain name means in every website you can see www and that some name is written. So we can say that that is domain name. Like Google is a domain name. Whatever we can have a domain name like blogs, Google, Yahoo, these all are domain names. URL. URL means Universal Resource Locator. It means the web address, what you see at the top of every search engine. So that is the URL, like www.google.com, yahoo.com. So these all are the URL. Even Facebook, everything is a URL, and every web page has a unique URL in internet. Web portal means every websites, whatever the data is there, that data is stored somewhere else. Some location is there wherever it is stored. That storage is called web portal, where the images are stored and we are retrieving that image in the web page. So that is called web portal. Okay, so let us move on to next topic, web server. What is difference between a server and a web server? It is simple that, as I've given you one example of our computer lab. In our computer lab, without internet connection also, I can transfer we can able to transfer one file from one computer to another computer, because our computers are connected through wires, physically connected with each other. But if through internet connections, if I am sharing that file, then I can say that I am using web server. And a simple server means a server physically, like our computer lab, what we are doing, that is called a server, and through internet what we are getting the information is web server. So whatever the information you are searching in Google and you are getting it, it means you are using web server. I hope you have understood it. Okay, now let us move on to the next topic, website. So in website, what are the components of website? That is domain name. Google.com means it is a domain name. Whatever is your email address. For example, now we are having an email address, alchemyonlineclass@gmail.com. So @gmail.com is a domain name, and Alchemy Online Class is my user name. So same way, this is the difference between domain name and username. So don't be confused. So domain name is common for all the Gmail users. Another component of website is web host. Web host means the website which you have created. When you want to host in a server, then we can say that is the web host. Now one more component is there, that is site files. What is site files? The files which you are using in your site, that is in your website, like images, audio, video, whatever the files which you are using it, that is all called site files. And web portal, this I have already explained to you. You can have a small web portal. As you know that in Gmail also we are having one portal where your images and your files are all saved, that is Google Drive. So same way we can also have one web portal in our website. Okay, so that is web portal. Alright students, let us finish it till here. If you have any doubt, we can discuss in our Zoom meeting. Thank you.